Um, My name is Svetlana Brzev. I'm an adjunct professor at University of British Columbia, Canada, and in the ERIES project I was invited to be a part of international advisory board for the project overall. So I was not a project participant, but I would like to say that I'm really impressed by the scale of the project, by the content, and many, more than 60 project teams that worked on very important topics related to various really important issues that impact seismic safety, resilience of a built environment, and that I'm sure will make a long-lasting impact for future codes, standards, practice, and of course future research. What I'm particularly impressed, and I believe is very important, is this synergy and joint activity of various universities across the countries, across the continents, and the fact that the project covered both earthquake engineering, which is of course a very important topic, but as well as wind engineering. What is particularly important is also availability of data, and the fact that the data produced, generated during the project is going to be publicly available, so that it is going to be useful for future researchers, PhD students, and will be a legacy, an important legacy of this project. Coming from North America, I believe that this project, where there are large projects, I believe that similar projects don't exist where, with such significant collaboration between universities and countries. And so this project is unique, and I truly hope that it will be continued in some form because, of course, there is much more work to do in these two fields of earthquake engineering and wind engineering.